In this video, we're going to explore 5 mind-blowing ways that you can use Genspark AI to save hours of work and bring your ideas to life faster. Stick around because the last one might completely change how you research forever. And I'll even share a trick at the end that most people don't know exists. I'll walk you through AI pods, AI docs, AI sheets, AI slides, and deep research, and I'll even share example prompts that I would type in for each. If you've never tried Genspark before, you're about to see why it's becoming a game changer. Let's start with the first one, AI pods. AI pods are like your personal brainstorming machine. You can create pods from almost anything, topics, YouTube videos, links, or files, and even customize them in any style, whether professional, fun, or casual. You can even choose realistic voices for solo, duo, or even multi person conversation. So imagine this. I might type create a 5-day social media content plan for a coffee shop that wants to attract more morning customers. But here's the twist. What happens when you ask it to think like a celebrity marketer? You want to see the unexpected campaign angles it suggests, and one of them actually make you rethink your entire marketing approach. Next is your AI docs. AI docs has built-in templates for things like job application, business communications, report analysis, and more. It's where you can write long-form content without getting stuck. Whether it's an article, a guide, or a report, you can work directly in the doc, give instructions, and see it take shape. So, for example, write a beginner's workout guide for people who've never exercised before, including simple steps and daily routines. Now, imagine layering in a challenge. Like, what if you wanted it in the style of your favorite fitness influencer? This is where the AI doc surprises you with personality driven content that feels human and engaging. And sometimes it adds ideas you didn't even think to ask for. Now let's talk about the AI sheets. AI Sheets acts like a smart spreadsheet assistant. It can auto find companies, people, research papers, products, almost anything, and turn raw data into useful insights and visuals. So, for example, I could type in create a spreadsheet that tracks daily sales for a clothing store, with columns for date, product sold, price, and profit margin. But here's where it gets interesting. What if you told it to automatically rank your best selling items by season? So suddenly you're not just tracking numbers, you're predicting trends before they happen. And the fourth one is AI slides. AI slides can turn your ideas into a complete presentations in just minutes. You simply describe the topic and style that you want, and it lays out everything so you can edit and polish it. For instance, make a 10 slide presentation about the benefits of switching to renewable energy for small businesses. Now imagine adding a twist. What if you ask it to design the slides as if they were part of a TED or TED Talk? The change in tone and design could make your audience lean in before you even said a word. And finally, deep research. Deep research is like having a skilled researcher on call 24/7. You can ask it to dig deep into any topic and it compiles everything neatly. So you don't have to jump across multiple websites. Like, for example, find the most effective digital marketing trends for small businesses in 2025 with examples and data. But here's what I love. What happens if you also ask it to compare those trends with the top strategies from 2010? That's when you start seeing long term patterns that could give you a serious competitive edge. When you combine AI pods, AI docs, AI sheets, AI slides, and deep research, you get a powerful all in one toolkit for creating, organizing, and researching. It's like having your own assistant, designer, and researcher all working together, and we've barely scratched the surface of what's possible. So if you want to make your work easier and save a lot of time, try out Genspark AI and see how it changes your workflow. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Oh, in that one, I'm going to share a hidden Genspark feature that almost nobody talks about.